Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to explore Apple Valley in Kashmir. So come with me, let's explore this amazing and beautiful Apple Valley together. This place is very beautiful, peaceful and full of nature. Here, I had a lot of fun with Asha. We spent some really good quality time together. We clicked many pictures and recorded videos. And the best part was drinking completely fresh apple juice. Look at these apple trees all around me. Fresh apples, green mountains and fresh air. Everything feels amazing. This is why Kashmir is called paradise on earth. These apples are so fresh and natural. The color, the sign and the smell are just wow. You know that? This is pure organic beauty. So Apple Valley is a perfect place for nature lovers. You can come here with family and friends. It is also very good for photography and reels. I feel very calm and happy here. All stress goes away when you come to a place like this. Nature really heals your heart. The ground is covered with flowers and it looks like heaven has touched the earth. The local people here are very kind and helpful. They welcome tourists with a warm smile. Just enjoy these beautiful views, green valleys, apple gardens and peaceful silence. First, apple trees get flowers. After some time, these flowers turn into apples. This process takes a few months. So white and light pink flowers look so fresh. The whole valley looks very peaceful and colorful. In Kashmir, mainly 4 to 5 types of apples are famous. Like Red Delicious, this is the most famous apple. It is red in color and sweet in taste. Royal Delicious. This apple is also red but a little bigger. Taste is sweet and juicy. And number 3, Golden Delicious. This apple is yellow golden in color. Taste is sweet and slightly soft. Number 4, Ambri apple. This is a traditional Kashmiri apple. Taste is sweet and a little sour. Number 5, Granny Smith. This apple is green in color. Taste is more sour. In Apple Valley, the exact number of trees is not fixed. There are thousands of apple trees in this area. So flower season March to April. Apple trees get white and light pink flowers. There are no apples at this time. This season is very short but very beautiful. And May to July, flowers slowly turn into small green apples. Apples start growing in size. The fruit is still unripe and August to October, this is the main apple season. Apples are fully grown and ready to harvest. And November to Feb, trees lose their leaves. There is snowfall in many areas and apple trees rest and prepare for the next season. So right now we are in the apple flower season. The apple will be ready for August to October. This is a very peaceful and less crowded time to visit. So the weather and soil of Kashmir are perfect for apple farming. That's why Kashmiri apple are famous all over the world. Thank you for watching my video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. So see you in my next journey.